No one cares about your excuses. Not life, not women, not the world. Weak men get ignored, replaced, and forgotten. And that's the truth you keep running from. You've been soft for too long, wasting mornings, scrolling endlessly, avoiding pain, chasing cheap pleasures. And then you wonder why you feel stuck, why nothing changes. Weakness has destroyed you. It eats your confidence, kills your drive, and keeps you invisible. But listen, the world is not kind to the weak. It never was. Weak men don't survive. They don't win. They don't get respect. They're stepped on, overlooked, erased. The world belongs to the strong, to the men who wake up and choose discipline, to the ones who build, who protect, who dominate. Those men are remembered. The rest, buried and forgotten. Strength isn't just muscles. Strength is discipline. It's waking up early when your body screams to sleep. It's training daily when no one claps. It's studying, working, grinding while everyone else is distracted. Strength is control over your mind when everything around you pulls you toward weakness. Discipline builds strength, and strength builds men. So stop being weak. Stop living as a victim. Stop waiting for someone to save you, because no one's coming. You either rise now or you die as a nobody. The world won't wait for you. This is your moment, your war, your choice. And if this woke you up, don't just scroll. Subscribe to Rage Mind.